is going up the tree. I think he's going to cut now. And we've got some random kid, and there's Ben. See Ben. Ben's back there. He's all the way back there, crouched down, pulling with all he's got. And then we've got some random kid, and I don't know what Walt's doing. Let me give you an idea of what this looks like. The cut is right there. And I think Walt's wanting to have them break it. Oh, he's gonna go at it again. Give them a little more. Oh, it looks like it's going. He wants them to break it. Whoa, he fell. He's yelling. And he's freaking out, which means he's really gonna freak out when the actual tree starts falling, because he's gonna bring that tree down, the big one. And I think it's gonna land on the chicken coop. Yep, and it did. Okay, I'm gonna see Walt's reaction to that. He fell down on the ground. He's laying on the ground. Is he crying? Is he upset? Well, at least it wasn't our house. Oh, let's see Jack. Jack's a wee bit disappointed. Ben is hiding out. I hope we didn't kill any chickens. Well, Walt's surveying the damage.